Guys, this is going to be episode 1 of my KX250 build. Today we're going to tackle the brand new wheels and tires, works wheel set from Nacstar, fresh set of Dunlop, brand new MX34s, one with a 110 in the rear for a little bit more side traction. That's on new tubes, front and rear, or rear, front and rear. And we got some sweet titanium hardware from Warp 9 Racing. A couple of rim strips and 48 tooth Renthal ultralight sprocket for this thing. So should be pretty sick. Let me unbox these wheels for you. I think I've shown these in a couple of clips before, and I posted a photo on my Instagram. So if you want to keep up with the bike build kind of as it's happened, just follow me on Instagram. But anyway, here's the Nacstar Works wheel, and my goodness, does this hub look good. So I'm pumped about this and excited to get these laced up and on the bike, so stay tuned. So I ran into a small problem. I don't have any wheel locks, so I've got to wait for those to come in. In the meantime, I'm just going to throw the ultralight sprocket on with the new titanium hardware. So at least that'll kind of get me going until that stuff comes in. But won't matter to you guys because it'll all be in the same video. So I'll see you then. This thing right here is fresh. Super duper lightweight, like way lighter compared to like even my stock one or the primary drive ones, which I don't really mind the primary drive ones, but this is what the factory boys run, so you know it's bound to be good, and that looks absolutely killer. So stay tuned. These also, by the way, are just absolutely nuts. I mean, look at the color on that. Absolutely awesome and super lightweight, super duper lightweight. So isn't that gonna look amazing? Cannot wait, cannot wait. Ladies and gentlemen, I got that bolted up. Tried to get it all in line with the Nacstar in the works, so I'm pretty stoked on that. Got everything tight and Loctite it in. So
meanwhile,
a couple more bits from Work Connection. Rear brake reservoir cap, front brake reservoir cap. Price these crusty OEM ones on here. So I'm gonna throw those on really quick, and then I'll get another clip of them. Gotta have trick red anodized parts on your race machine, or what are you even doing, man? I can't even get this on. All right, finally got it loose. These two 7mm bolts out. Put the new cap on. Yeah, so I've already got some PC billet parts on here, so to be sure not to lose the washer on this guy. So both of those screws have washers on them. And be careful not to lose the bladder. So anyway, bladder comes off this cap, goes on the new cap. All right, got the bladder put on. And we just drop this right on. And then re-thread our screws. And that makes it just a little more factory than it was. Boom, that turned out sick. So we got the rear brake reservoir and the front by Works Connection, and turned out sick. The red and green, man, that's just cool. It's just cool. It really makes the other pro circuit parts and stuff pop, but I'm a big fan of that thing. The brake reservoir caps, like up at the front, up top. Yeah, I know, and there's one for the back too. Yeah, bro, pro circuit. Couple days, and I got some wheel locks from Motion Pro to finish out my wheel build, so it should be pretty exciting. I'm gonna try to knock these out, get these things mounted up, and at least kind of test fit them up on the race bike. But dude, I'm in love with these wheel set, man. It looks so good. Gentlemen, that sucked, but got them mounted up. The DMX 34s on the new wheels from Nacstar. So I'll go shoot some air in them, mark them up on the race bike. Guys, I screwed up. I put the freaking front tire on the wrong direction. I'm still debating on if I should just run it like this or flip it. So, I don't know. Not good.
You no longer have a job. What are we doing, Maverick?
We are finishing a little mini winter build on the bike. We're gonna bolt up all my trick parts. Michael's got my new graphics.
Goodie bag.
Backyard designs. In the pin comment below.
Senior Claus.
Discount code for you, but they do make some pretty sick stuff.
Awesome.
Backyard designs for some graphics. We've got brand new factory wheel set, bro. Look at this. Look at it glisten in the sun. I mean, how's that, man? I mean, that's Renthal right there, warp 9 with the titanium. Dunlop MX34s. Yeah, we got those. 110 rear.
It's gonna be dope.
It's gonna be sick. So we've got to pull the stock setup off. That's gonna be a practice setup. I've got 2 more rotors coming in. We're gonna bolt up the stock rotors of these bad boys and test fit this thing off. Sling some plastics at it. Got the LE Renthal fat bar. So going from switching it up, going from the crossbar to the fat bar. I like how Maddox's bike is set up with the fat bar, so we're gonna try it out. Should be pretty sick. You're gonna see earlier in this video we put these Works Connection covers on, and man, those just look absolutely trick. So yeah, should be good. Stay tuned. What do you think about that, Maddox? The rotor mounted up.
It's getting more and more real.
Yeah, it really is. Then I have a backup setup for practice, and then this will be the race setup.
Yeah.
Nice, huh?
It'll be good.
There you go. The beast has come alive. This thing, oh my gosh, dude, every part is just looking so awesome. Dude, the graphics, oh my gosh, it kind of looks more like a PC bike now, especially with the hubs done up and these handlebars, man. Fat bar on it, I'm excited about it. Thrill Seeker seat cover, MX34s, pro circuit pipe. All the Works Connection little goodies on here, man. Oh my gosh, a fresh hole shot device. And we lowered it a little bit, so should be getting some dang good starts with this thing, but it's so awesome.